Oh, I just been taking a, you know what I'm saying, small break, been on a little small hiatus. Injury reserve, pussy ass nigga tried to shoot me, tried to assassinate me. You know what I'm saying? Hey, in the interview right here, first the interview we don't got in the room. It's stuck in on me. The greasy one. Easy greasy. What's happening? Man, shit, man. He had to go make a run right quick.
Now as I exercise my mind and I exercise my lungs, I'm feeling no pain, I'm comfortably numb. I'm hooked on when I'm dead president sprung. Going crazy about the swap, I'm dead president dumb. Better listen to the dummy, you can learn a lot from it. He the realest nigga I know, always kept it 100. Never told on a nigga, never read it, never rolled. Do my time like a G, let's just hope I make a roll. Never fold like a love letter, so I'm sending hate mail. Standing in the kitchen, cooking pies like a bake sale. I got them running back, Curtis Steele, and I can get them off for 29 or 30 still.
My CEO built an enterprise from the ground up.
You think I'm just gonna let this shit fall? I'm a mafia money millionaire, got racks in the briefcase. Cut your girl, I'm Brutus the Barber Beefcake. Publishing clearinghouse, big checks, sweepstakes. Hardest in the game, just going by what the streets say. Hey, I need a replay, I don't think he scored. You know what, I was right, take his points off the board. It's fourth quarter, fourth and goal, guess what, I'm going for it. 4 O's in the Sprite, I just keep on pouring. True story, no lie, I'm honest like A. Got a bunch of niggas with me like I just freed the slave. Got a bunch of niggas with me like I just freed the slave. Got a bunch of niggas with me like I just freed the slave. Revolution, revelation, evolution, celebration, champagne, campaign, going all through the nation. NASA, out of here, space station. Feeling competition, Call of Duty, PlayStation. Smoking on the Dutchie, pockets budget, 100 boo-boo. Yeah, I admit I'm off there, I'm slightly a bit cuckoo. But look at what I've been through, look at what I went through. What would you do if somebody tried to kill you? I'm up all night, late night like Jimmy Fallon. I can't sleep, sipping syrup by the gallon. I'm up late night like Jimmy Fallon. I can't sleep, I'm sipping syrup by the gallon.
Hey, y'all know. Paid for by Mafia.